updating, and yes, all my progress is here, 20,000 in the house, looking awesome. The content in this video is my personal experience with a Telegram-based game. It is not financial advice, a guarantee of results, or an endorsement of any product or service. The creator is not responsible for any decisions made based on this content. Hey there, awesome people. Welcome back to another super fun adventure with me. Today, I'm beyond excited to share my latest obsession, a totally cool Telegram game that's been keeping me entertained for hours. First up, head to the Telegram link, you can get it here, and let's jump right in. To get started, type the classic /start command and hit send. Boom! You're instantly greeted with a colorful invitation to launch a game called Mine's Ton. Trust me, this is where the fun kicks off. Hit that shiny continue button and, yep, you're welcomed by a super clear set of instructions. These little nuggets of wisdom guide you step by step through the game's mechanics. It's like having a friendly guide for an epic quest. Follow along, copy the provided code, and paste it into the Telegram. So simple, right? Now, let's tap the Get Signal button. And wow, your first game signal pops up. Here's where the excitement builds. Place your first move. Let's say we start with a modest 200 and carefully follow the Telegram's dazzling pattern. Arrange those crystals exactly as shown and... oh yes, you have the first win. That rush of nailing it feels amazing, doesn't it? Let's keep the good vibes going. Click for the next signal. Place your crystals in the same sparkling order and... yay! Another challenge crushed. Now let's spice things up a bit. I like to ramp up the stakes for extra thrills, so I go for a bolder move with the next signal. Arrange those crystals with precision and watch the game light up. This system is like a trusty sidekick, making every round feel like a mini adventure. But heads up, the number of free signals is limited, so you need to unlock more to keep playing. You can choose to unlock a few extra signals or go all in for the ultimate experience, what I like to call epic mode. For that, you'd follow the game's instructions to keep the fun rolling. Just make sure to double check all the details because precision is your best friend here. Once you're set, refresh the app, and bam, you're back in the game, ready for more action. Let's get bold. The next signal is here, and I'm feeling confident, so I'm going big with a 1500 move. Follow the Telegram's lead, place those crystals, and yep, another round nailed. This game is like a roller coaster of fun, keeping you on your toes with every move. My strategy? I like to mix it up and go bigger each time to keep the excitement soaring. Check this out. We're racking up some serious points. Let's push the limits with a massive 10,000 play. Follow the signal, here, there, over here, and there, and hit that confirm button. What do we see? Another epic moment in the game. The thrill of crushing it is unreal. Alright, that's a fantastic session for today, so let's wrap it up. I'm saving my progress to keep the fun going later. To do that, I follow the game steps, enter my details, and confirm everything. Then I check my balance. you see that here is 251. Wait. Wait for update the page. Updating, and yes! All my progress is here, 20,000 in the house, looking awesome. Thanks for joining me on this thrilling gaming journey. I had a blast sharing it with you. If you try this game, let me know how it goes in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.